Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're going to be learning about place and value. Finding the place of the figures on the board, the value, writing them in words, and also expanding the numbers. Okay, so let's dive into it. Question 1 says 6, 8, 5, 9, 4, and 1. So we want to find the place of each of these numbers. The place of 1 here is units. The place of 4 is tens. The place of 9 is 100. The place of 5 is 1,000. The place of 8 is 10,000. And the place of 6 is 100,000. Good. So now I want to find the value of each of these numbers. The value of 1 here is 1. Value of 4 is 40. Value of 9 is 900. Value of 5 is 5,000. The value of 8 is 80,000. And the value of 6 is 600,000. Good. Now, how do we write these numbers in words? Going by the value and the place of these numbers, we would say this number is what? 685,941. Right? So let's write it down. 685,000 941. Good. Now we've been able to find the place of these figures, the value, we've expanded it, and I've also written the numbers in words. Moving on to number 2. We have 7, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 8. The unit of the value of the place of 8 here is units. The place of 2 is tens. The place of 1 is 100. The place of 2 is 1,000. The place of 6 is 10,000. The place of 5 is 100,000. The place of 4 is million. And the place of 7 is 10 million. Right? So if we are to group this with commas, we'll count 1, 2, 3, put a comma, 1, 2, 3, put a comma. So that tells us what the place of each of these numbers are to easily find what the places are. So now the value is what? 8 here. Value of 2 is 20. The value of 1 is 100. The value of 2 is 2,000. The value of 6 is 60,000. The value of 5 is 500,000. The value of 4 is 4 million. And the value of 7 is 70 million. Now, what is this figures in words? We would say 74 million 562,000 128. Good, and that's that. for question 1 and 2. Now we'll move on. Question 3 says 9507. Of course, we know that the 7 here is the units. This is tens, hundred, and thousand. The place of 7 is units, and that makes the value what? 7. The place of 0 is tens, and the value is still 0. The place of 5 is 100, and the value is 500. The place of 9 is 1000, and the value is 9000. And this is 9,000 500 and 7. That's all about question 3. Now question 4, we have 6, 5, 1, 9, 7, 8, 5, 5, 6. The place of 6 is units, 5 is tens, 5 again is 100, 8 is 1000, 7 is 10,000, 9 is 100,000, 1 is a million, 5 is 10 million, and 6 is 100 million. Right? Now we're going to write the value for each of these numbers. The value of 6 is 6, 5 is 50, 5 again is 500. The value of 8 here is 8,000. Value of 7, 70,000. The value of 9 is 900,000. Value of 1 here is 1 million. The value of 5 is 50 million. And the value of 6 is 600 million. Right? Now we're going to write these numbers in words. Judging from the place of 6, would say 651 million, right? 651 million. $651 comma, 978,000, $556. Good. Now this is the end of question 4. I hope it's easy for you to understand, so you can write your numbers in words and also determine the place and the value of each of these numbers, as well as expanding them. So I'm moving over to the last question, which is question 5. Question 5 says 1, 3, 6, 8, 7. Right? The place of 7 is units. The place of 8 is tens. The place of 6 is 100. The place of 3 is 1000. And the place of 1 is 10,000. Good. So we're going to write the value for each of these numbers. The value of 7 is 7. The value of 8 is 80. The value of 6 is 600. The value of 3 is 3000. And the value of 1 is 10,000. Good. Now, the numbers of this question in words can be written as 13,687. 13,687. Good. And now we've come to the end of today's lesson. If you have any question, please put it down in the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll see you in my next class. Bye.